Hello, Carl from Quinn Global, presenting again QDEK. This time QDEK 2003. This product was designed for EPDM bonding. It is also polystyrene compatible, and we're going to bond these small pieces of EPDM, but just proving that this product works fantastically in conjunction with EPDM and polystyrene. It will also work on any other insulation boards, whether it be foil-faced, tissue-faced, any substrates in the way of insulation materials. This product works very, very well. So here we go. We're using a small detail gun. This product can also be sprayed through a long wand gun for field area, but due to the size of the pieces, we're going to use the detail gun, fully adjustable as with all other products. This product is clear. We're going to spray the opposite way onto the membrane. Again, 75% overlaps. Letting it flash off for a moment or two. Obviously, if this was in a full roll format, the flash off would be pretty much instantaneous. But normally, if you're doing detail work, you'd be wanting to let it flash off for 1 to 2 minutes. Obviously, with air movement, it will flash off quite fast. If you want to do a whole run, you do have with this product about 30 minutes open time. So as long as nothing's coming off onto the back of your hands, we're in a good position to go. So you can simply just roll it in. And I'm just going to use my hand just to apply pressure at this point, put it back, and that's it, tugging. And if I was to continue doing that, we would actually start ripping the polystyrene out onto the back of the EPDM. Again, similar wait times. As you can see, again, spraying one way and the other way. As long as the adhesive is not coming off onto the back of your hands, you're ready to go. Letting the adhesive again flash off until you get nothing onto the back of your hands. It's a very fast flash material. There we go. All done.